What happens when a journey at sea becomes a descent into moral chaos? Welcome to Rites of Passage by William Golding, winner of the Booker Prize in 1980. William Golding, best known for Lord of the Flies, returns to a similar kind of a territory: power, hierarchy, and the brutal undercurrents of human nature. It is said during the Napoleonic Wars, Rites of Passage is the first in Golding's To the Ends of Earth trilogy. The story, it unfolds abroad, a British warship carrying soldiers and civilians to Australia. It's told through the journal of Edmund Talbot. He's a young aristocrat, and the novel starts as a tale of social satire, but soon it veers into darker waters also. I'll tell you a quote. I quote, "The sea, I believe, is an image of that deep unconscious life where we hide the truth of ourselves," unquote. So when a clergyman named Mr. Colley is humiliated by the ship's officers, what begins as petty cruelty, it spirals into tragedy, and Talbot is forced to confront this ugliness beneath his polished surface. So this is a novel about class, about power, about guilt, and the subtle violence of civilization. Golding ने maximum times he explore किया है जो the human nature, beneath human nature, the wild part of human nature. So Golding's prose is very dense, and it's very ironic and very rich with psychological insight. Golding called this his best novel, and the Booker jury agreed. So if you are drawn to stories that peel away the masks of civilization to reveal the chaos beneath it, Rites of Passage is an unforgettable voyage. Of course, his other work is absolutely amazing too. Lord of the Flies, it's a masterpiece. But yes, even Rites of Passage is that kind of a work which explores this hidden part of the civilization. I hope you're all covering the entire Booker Prize series. If you have not seen any other video of the Booker Prize series, please go back. So this is 1980, and we've covered before 1980 till now. And it's in the playlist also I've made on my YouTube handle, so you can go and watch through the playlist as well. Stay tuned, share, subscribe to watch more and more. Thank you.